This lake home on Big Long Lake is worth a closer look. With 3 bedrooms plus a bunk room, there's no shortage of space for guests, and with views like these, they may never want to leave. Step inside and you're greeted by an open and spacious layout where large windows flood the home with natural light and frame the water perfectly. The kitchen and living room flow together effortlessly, creating a warm and welcoming space. Head up the spiral staircase to a flexible bonus space, currently used as an office, keeping those beautiful same views. And when it's time to head down to the water, an elevator makes access easy and convenient. Outside, a fully furnished 26 by 58 garage gives you plenty of room for all your lake toys, plus additional storage in the back. The oversized back lot offers even more space to relax, gather, and enjoy everything this property has to offer. Ready to experience it for yourself? Contact Lydia Woolheater today.